Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3. In this video I'll show you how to transfer any file. In the beginning, whether you want to transfer files to Google Drive or to external device like this pen drive, firstly, let's go to App. First, you can go to Google Drive. In case you want to transfer file to Drive, log into your account. And now tap plus, upload, and select files to upload. You can select from recent, images, audio, videos, documents, photos, large files, or this week. Also you can go to downloads or internal storage from your smartphone. If you want to transfer files to external device or from external device, connect it, and in some cases you would have to enable OTG connection. In order to do it, go to settings of your smartphone and search for OTG. Switch this button to activate this function. Now you can go to Files and you can access the external storage. Select file you would like to copy or select all. Tap Share, and now select Files, Drive, or move to internal storage. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.